Hello everyone, welcome to Analytic Solutions channel. In this chapter, we'll learn the limitations of flash fill. Flash fill is a very powerful tool, but it does have limitations as well. So what are those limitations available in flash fill? Results are not dynamic. That means flash fill values will not update when the values are changed. We should perform the flash fill again in order to update the values. Flash fill might not always return results. If flash fill don't understand the examples or if the patterns are too complex, there may be blank cells. Flash fill may return undesired results. Flash fill sometimes incorrectly identify the patterns for the given examples. This results in undesired output. Flash fill will not work horizontally. Flash fill works only vertically. That is, it will work only for the rows, not for the columns. Thank you so much for watching this video.